Hello everyone. Once again I am here with you and I hope you have completed all the question answer of chapter 4, 5, 6, and today I will give you the extra questions that is references. So see the question. The question is the differentiate between the first is the extinct and endangered animals. Extinct animals and endangered animals. So first of all you will make a column. What will make a column? So you will, this is extinct animal and this is endangered animal. I will make the column extinct animal and endangered animal. Okay, then you will write. So what will you write? In the extinct animal you will write animal species which are no longer living are called extinct animal. And endangered animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct is called endangered animal. Okay, so you will write like this and you will give the example also. See the example I have given. Extinct animals, example is the quagga, QUAGGA, and endangered animal I have given the example, that is the golden lion, GOLDEN, golden LION, lion. So I hope now you can write the answer of difference between extinct and endangered animals. Okay, by making the two columns I have like this. Okay, then you will write. Now move to the second question. Second question is the write the differences between health and diseases. Okay, so how will you write? You will make two column like this as I have made this. Okay, and then you will write the answer. In the health, what will you write? You will write health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Okay, and in the disease, what will you write? You will write disease is a disease is a a disease any defect or abnormality found in the body. So now you can write like this. That means health, that means in the health you will write health is the health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Okay, BEING, being. And disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. So I think now you can write the answer of the differences between health and diseases. Now come to the third is the write the differences between communicable and non-communicable diseases. So how will you write? First of all you will make two columns. In one column you will write communicable disease and in another column you will write non-communicable disease. Okay, now you will write here diseases. In the communicable disease, what will you write? You will write diseases that can be transmitted from one person to another are called communicable disease. What? Diseases that can be transmitted from one person to another are called communicable diseases, and you will write the example, and I have given here malaria, MALARIA, malaria. And now for the non-communicable diseases, diseases that cannot be transmitted from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases, and I have written the example, that is the beriberi. Okay, so deficiency diseases are also called as non-communicable disease. Okay, so you will write the question answer like this. In this video I have given three differences. Number one is the extinct and endangered animals, and difference between health and diseases, and difference between communicable and non-communicable diseases. Okay, so I hope now you can write all these question answer. You will write in your classwork copy and you will learn it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.